Dear students, today we will discuss transportation model by using northwest corner rule and minimum cost method. So let's start. So we consider one numerical example to understand northwest corner rule. So in this transportation table 8, 9, 7, 4, 3, 5, 8, 5, 6, those are the unit cost. 40, 25, 35 is the supply, 30, 30 and 40 is the demand. At first we have to check whether it is a balance table or not. So if you add 40, 25 and 35, it will gives 100, and if you add 30, 30 and 40, it gives 100. So meaning is that it is the balance transportation table. After that we have to allocate. Northwest corner rules said that you have to allocate as much as possible in the northwest corner at first. So if you consider that here in this table, this will be the extreme northwest corner, so we can allocate here. So supply is 40, demand is 30, so you have to take minimum of 40 and 30. So you can supply 40, but here demand is 30, so I put 30 here in the corner, northwest corner, that is 8, where 8 is allocated. Unit price is 8, so I putting 30 here. If I put 30 here, I cannot, it will be exhausted, so I put a dot line here, and this 30 will be exhausted. If I put 30 here, in the supply still we have 10, so let's put 10 here. After putting 30 in the northwest corner, the next northwest corner is the 9, because you cannot put something here actually, because it is already exhausted. So I put the remaining 10 here. Why I am putting 10? Their supply is 10 and demand is 30, so you have to take the minimum. So I put 10 in this corner. If I put 10 here, this 10 will be exhausted in the demand and in the supply. So in the demand it became 20. So in that sense, this cell will be exhausted. Next, come to the next northwest corner, it will be 3. Here this is the position. So here 25 is the supply, 20 is the demand, so I can put minimum of 25 to 20, so that's why I put 20 here. So if I put 20 here, it will be exhausted, and here 5 will remain. If after putting 20 here, this line will be exhausted, so I draw a line here. Now only these two are remain. So in that sense, I can directly put 5, remaining 5 here, and it will be 30. Then it will be 30. Actually it is 40, so it will be 35. So if you observe, all your allocation has been done. So if you want to find out the transportation cost, and it will be unit 8 is the unit cost, total is 30, so 8 into 30 plus 9 into 10, similarly 3 into 20 40s, then 5 into 5 plus 6 into 35, and if we after simplification you will get 625. So 625 is the cost of this transportation table by using northwest corner rules. So your next method is minimum cost method or least cost method. So we are considering same numerical 40, 25, 30, 30, 30, 40, 8, 9, 7, 4, 3, 5, 8, 5, 6. So it is a balanced transportation problem. So according to this method, we have to find out the least cost among this allocation. So least cost here is the 3 is the least cost. So in this cell we have to allocate as much as possible. So if I put something here, let's compare. Supply is 25 and demand is 30. So minimum is 25, so I put 25 here. If I put 25 it will be exhausted, so I put a line here, and here 5 will remain. After putting 25 in 3, so next least cost will be 5, not 4, because this portion is exhausted, so we cannot put anything in this 4. So the remaining cell will be this one, and this and that. Only 6 cells are unoccupied. Now you have to put something there. So among these 5 is the least, so let's put something in this cell. So here we can put 5 or 35. So minimum is 5, so I put 5 here. If I put 5 here, it will be exhausted. Ultimately it is also exhausted. So here 30 will be remain. After that, the next least cost will be 6. So in that 6 I can put 30, and 30 is the supply, 40 is the demand. So I can directly put 30 here. If I put 30 here, then it will become 10 and it is exhausted, so I can draw a line here. After that, only 2 allocation remain. One is 7, another one is 8 unit cost. So I can directly put 10 in this allocation. So if I put 10 here, it will be 30, and the remaining 30 will become here. So this is the allocation of the transportation problem. Now if I find out the transportation cost, it will be 8 into 30 plus 7 into 10 plus 3 into 25 plus 5 into 5 plus 6 into 30. After the simplification, we will get 590 is the answer. So if we apply northwest corner rule, then your cost will be 6. Your cost will be this one. Your cost will be 625, and if you apply minimum cost method, the transportation cost will be 590. So which is little bit better. And these two methods are called initial basic feasible solution. Now after finding out these two solutions, there is another method by using that method we can check whether this table, transportation table, is optimum or not. We will do it later on. I hope you will understand. Thank you. Stay safe.